Where did we leave off last time?
Flat number, I think we're on 4 now.
Hello everyone, I'm Maddie. Welcome to my series Maddie's Moving. We're on the 4th episode now. We're nearing the end of the series since I'm technically finished moving. And we're going to be decorating and organizing today, which is one of the last steps I think in the moving process. So we're going to be finding inspiration today, we're going to be shopping, we're going to be decorating, and we're going to be organizing, and then I'm going to show you guys a little apartment tour at the end, so stay tuned for that. So without further ado, let's get right into the video and talk about the inspiration for what we're going to be doing today. Welcome to my bedroom. I know, this painting, we gotta get rid of it. But I just wanted to talk slightly about what kind of was my inspiration for this flat and the decorations that I want to get. So first of all, we have this type of wooden flat. There's a lot of wooden details. The doors are wooden, the kitchen is a lot of wood, we have the wood floors. So I want to kind of incorporate colors that match that, and perhaps a little bit of wood, whites, slacks, and greens. I think all those are kind of natural colors that would look really good with the wood tones that we already have in the flat, because we should try to work with what we already have. Secondly, I would say my personal interior style is very Scandi, very colorful, very artsy. I would say I like weird shapes, I like abstract painting. I really want to try to incorporate that a little bit as well. And lastly, it's the fact that we don't have unlimited money to spend on this decoration, right? I am a student, I do work on YouTube and I do work on social media in general, but we do have a limited budget to spend. But we're going to buy all the main pieces from IKEA and from cheaper shops, and we're going to do some complementary pieces from other brands that are more expensive. So now that that's said and we've gathered inspiration, let's go to IKEA. What are we waiting for? Come on!
Hello from IKEA. Okay, this is actually my first trip to IKEA since I came to London 1.5 years ago. We're going to do some organization shopping today to organize the kitchen, the laundry room, my desk area. Okay, so we're looking for something like this, but in glass. No, they're out of the one thing we wanted to get from the warehouse.
Skeletons.
We're done with shopping, so let's get to decorating. First up, our living room shelves are looking rather empty.
I've been going out of my mind, 'cause you're giving me way too much adrenaline, hold the line. I heard a little bump in the night, yeah. Although it's good on paper, on occasion we collide, we collide. Skeletons. I'm finding it hard to pass the time without you. Skeletons. You spell it all out in black and white.
As I mentioned earlier, I really wanted to get some statement pieces in the flat that would be a little bit more expensive than the IKEA basics and the John Lewis basics. So I went to Liberty London, which is the shop that's like the main feature of the new movie Cruella, which I thought was so cool and funny. And I went there to pick up some extra pieces, like really extra pieces, that would work as a statement in the different areas of the flat. Was actually quite decorated when we moved in. However, I'm just going to do some quick fixes like swapping out our old tea towel and organizing my most used food items with clear plastic boxes. So I really need somewhere to put my espresso capsules, and I don't want to just put these in the cupboard because I think they look really ugly and they're out on display and it just looks weird having this like sticking out all the time. I haven't found any box that's cheap enough and just visually pleasing enough. I don't want anything super extra, I just want a tiny box to fit into the cupboard. I want it to be black, I just need it to work right now. So I have some cardboard and I have this Nespresso bag. So I'm gonna cut all of this up and we're gonna create a little box together. probably
think I'm a little bit insane as I'm organizing our cleaning products. However, separating our products into one crate for laundry and another for floor, bathroom, and kitchen cleaning makes it both easier to find and grab supplies and more visually pleasing and organized.
So this picture is not going off because it's literally taped to the back. So if we're gonna frame or if we're gonna put anything up on that wall, we need to be framing it ourselves. Nice. So okay, we need to do something else.
Felt my desk area was lacking something, so I printed out a lot of cute pictures from university and I'm going to be hanging them up on my wall using tape. What I'm doing here first is removing some of that stickiness from the tape by first sticking it onto my dusty table. This makes sure it doesn't rip off any paint from my wall, and then I'm attaching it to my pictures and hanging them up on my wall in a 3x4 order.
Okay, so here's the thing, right? We got this plant from Louise's friend from her halls last year who is going on holiday for the whole summer, and he left his plants here, and they're fake, they're IKEA, and I've been trying to find a place like for 2 weeks to put it, and I haven't figured out like what place works. And then I was like, maybe it works out here because I think it looks good in my head, but then it might be super strange to you that I have like a giant plant next to my desk on a trolley. I'm gonna leave it like that for now. I'm still not completely sure though, I might change it like later today.
The way feet too big for the pedals on my tricycle. The speed is mighty full. Going somewhere fast, really quick, and I don't know where I'm headed to, but it feels really cool.
Visual clutter is a big problem in a bathroom, especially for me as I have a lot of products. A tip for everyone in the same situation is using boxes. I got these wooden boxes from IKEA in a little set of 4. The white toothbrush and toothpaste holder is from Hema and it looks super cute. I've had it for like 2 years.
This time next year, won't pretend that I know where I'm gonna be.
I got these really cute crates from Hey Design. There are links below if you're interested in some of the same ones, and they're a really great way to organize bigger products or just more products in one space.
Here's a little flat tour. So as soon as you walk in, this is exactly what you see. We always have our shoes right next to the radiator. Turn around slightly and you have our living room situation. Our living room always gets the most amazing sun conditions. It's really, really nice. Seeing the sunset every single day in the flat, like on these beautiful shelves, is just so amazing. Best feature, I think, in this whole flat. Next to our little shoe situation is our, I would say, hallway. This is where I would put my bags. Next to that, we have the door to my room, and then we have the door to my flatmate's room and the door to my flatmate's bathroom. And that is also normally the bathroom that people use when they come over. We also have this door that we can't really close anymore because the washing machine, while we use it, has just moved forward. And then we have an iron. We also have a rack for drying clothes over there. We have my organized cleaning products. Louise's friend left his box for the summer, so that is his stuff. And then this is the ironing board. It's super nice to have a separate room for your washing machine because normally in England you have your washing machine in your kitchen. Hey, we have another secret door. What can this be? Well, it leads to the exact same room, but just another like area of it. So same box, we have some spare chairs for when we have guests over. Here is our kitchen where we have our fridge and freezer down there. Cooktop, an electric cooktop. Little coffee station, I feel like this kind of turned out to be. I didn't actually show you guys this, but I organized all my cutlery with Muji boxes last time, I think. So that turned out super nice. I'm very, very happy with it. Lastly, here is where we have all our plates and cups. Actually, most importantly, here is our dishwasher. Another luxury that a lot of flats, especially my past two, haven't had. Okay, now let's enter my room. Look at this. I literally just, since I couldn't remove the picture, I just added my picture like with tape onto it. So definitely not a solution that will stay for very long, but I think it works for right now. We also have my 2 night tables on either side of the bed, and that's my boyfriend's suitcase, which he left here. The trolley has all my school stuff in it and other stuff that I just couldn't fit anywhere else in my room. And this has some books in it and some of my pencils. Opposite to my bed, we have my closet, and I have quite a big closet actually. This is how it looks, and some shoes at the bottom. And this side has the exact same kind of setup. I added this little rug next to my bed. It's very nice when you wake up and then you put your toes right onto this instead of the cold wood floors. And next to my bedroom, we have my bathroom. All my skincare products are in here. My cupboard of stuff and another cupboard full of medicines. So yeah, that's it for today's video. I have one, I think, more video from the flat makeover, but yeah, that's it for now, and I'll see you guys very soon. Bye everyone. Mwah.